Be careful, Mira. What's this? What's this, Mira? Kaninong shoes to? Da?
Daddy.
Daddy's shoes? You wanna hold it?
Yes.
What color is that?
Blue.
Is it blue? It's not blue. So ngayon lang natin ulit binuksan mula kanina. I'm gonna do the review later. Pagtulog na yung mga anak ko. Oh no! What did you do? I'm gonna fix it already, Mira, ha? Daddy's gonna put it away. Okay. We're gonna open it tomorrow again, okay? Because we're gonna sleep na, ha? Give me 5. Give Daddy a hug. Thank you for opening my box. Love you.
Open the box.
Do you love Daddy? Very much? Welcome back again to my channel. So this time we already have it, the Air Jordan 5 Offwhite by Virgil Abloh. This one, I've been waiting for this one for like almost 2 weeks. So tingin ko 10 days to be exact. I'm gonna open it. I'm just gonna show you the shoe itself. I'm gonna start doing our vlog or a video about Jordan 5 Offwhite. We're gonna start about its creator or the man behind it, Virgil Abloh. So Virgil Abloh, born in 1990 in Rockford, Illinois. So he went to University of Illinois Madison. He took civil engineering, and then after that he went to take on his master on Institute of Illinois Technology. So hindi niya talaga linya yung fashion designing. There was a time like 2009, he went to Fendi in Rome, like the headquarters of Fendi. He went there to do internship. I guess him and Kanya. When did he started? He started in 2012 with an artwork. That time, I think yung name is Pyrex Vision. Then one company is suing it. So what he did is turn down the company. Like he did turn down the Pyrex Vision and then rebranded it as Offwhite in 2013. And then when did he make a splash on sneaker game? He did it in 2017. He reconstructed 10 pairs of sneaker, like most iconic sneaker. 8 ng sapatos dun is from Nike. I think 1 is Jordan and then 1 is Converse. 2018, he became the artistic director of Louis Vuitton. And then on the same year, na-recognize din siya ng Time Magazine as one of most influential people in the world. So yung buong shoes, it is covered with plastic mesh. As you can see, it's surrounded with plastic mesh. They really did a good job on this one. You have the Nike Air logo on the back of the shoe and Jordan number on the side, which is number 23. The shoe has a hole in it, like 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And then on the other side, you can see the Offwhite branding as well. This is similar to metallic Air Jordan 5 metallic. As you can see, it has 2 extra laces as well, which is you can swap either way. I think I'm gonna go with the white one when I'm rocking this one. So just to explain, these holes in the shoe, As you can see, you have one here, here, then another one here, and then here. I know for a fact na napanood yun na yung ginawa ni Virgil Abloh sa Instagram niya na kinat niya yung mga butas na to, and though that looked so dope. I'm not sure if I do have the guts to cut it as well, because this is my own pair, and then I'm thinking of reselling it as well because it's gonna give you a good money. The tang, as you can see, it's 3M, and then we do have the black zip tie here, then the lock lace, outsole as well, both are yellowish, like they do have the vintage feel in it. I think the air bubble has a yellowish color as well. Then you have Michael Jordan logo, and then the Air Jordan, which is upside down inside of the tang, and you have the Jordan logo on the outsole as well. Then you have the Offwhite branding on the shoe. Sobrang ganda ng sapatos na I didn't expect na ganito siya kaganda when holding it already. Then if you're gonna ask me if resale price is gonna go skyrocket, I probably say yes, it's going to skyrocket again. Right now it's sitting at $600-700 like USD. So I think you just have to wait 6 months or a year, and then look for yourself na makikita mong magbo-boom uli yung price niya. During the Offwhite Air Jordan 1, ganun din yung nangyari. Like, it went first month, then second month, it's just like really average resale price. And then after that, boom talaga na yung aftermarket value. Talagang nag-demand siya, I think, $2,000 yung pinakamataas na nakita kong na-resell ng Air Jordan 1 na Offwhite. The shoe will resell, just mag-base na lang siguro kayo sa mga t-shirt ng Offwhite and then hoodies. The price range is around $300 to $550 or $600 for the hoodies. So when I first saw the picture of the Air Jordan 5 like in the internet, like I was saying it's a really good shoes, it's a great shoes, it's like literally dope. And then I wanted to keep one for myself, and then I wanted to resell one as well because the money in it talagang investment, and then you can make like money. I was thinking of reselling it as well. So I talked to a friend of mine in the Philippines. He's saying na people were willing to pay 38,000 for this certain pair of shoe. Like I told him na I'm gonna wait 6 months to 1 year and see how it goes. Just I can keep it for myself. Like, ang ganda talaga ng sapatos, but my first plan was to sell it or resell it. Then it's a good money, right? If you're planning to buy one of this, like the Air Jordan 5 Offwhite, I'm telling you guys, go hurry up. If you can pay 28,000, 30,000 for this shoe, you have to do it. Because after 6 months, like nung nangyari sa Air Jordan 1, na naglaylo yung presyo, then after nun, boom, like it is demanding at around 1,500 to $2,000 or $2,000. Right now, if you can see like 700, I can see most $700. Like if you really want a pair that you're gonna rack, so go for it. So that's for me, the Air Jordan 5 Offwhite. Clean shoes, sobrang ganda, worth it ng money, like worth it ng pagpupuyat. I was waiting for this one. I was waiting for the high 85 as well. Hindi ako nakakuha nun, but yung guilt or yung siguro yung inis na mararamdaman ko nung kung hindi ko nakuha yung Offwhite 5 is much higher rather than sa hindi ko nakuha yung high 85. Targeting this certain shoe. And then, ang next na nasa list ko ay yung Travis Scott na SB Dunk. I just want to tell, I'm gonna teach you on my next vlog some of the techniques na ginagawa ko to get or to secure a certain pair of this kind of shoes. I do have the dilemma if I wanted to have that pair for myself or resell it. So please let me know if kung kayo yung may Jordan 5 Offwhite, on what are you gonna do? Are you gonna keep it for yourself or are you gonna resell it as well? So you can just type down below, and then please like the video. If you like the video, subscribe as well. Then huwag nyo rin kalimutang i-click yung notification bell down below, so whenever I'm gonna upload new video, it will notify you right away. But I guess we're gonna sign up for now.